Hey guys, welcome back to Everyday Barbie. We're back with part 2 of my birthday haul. I guess that's what you call it. Anyway, today we're opening a couple more sets, and I can't wait to show them to you guys. So let's just get into the video. Alright, so I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love the Barbie supermarket playset. And if you've seen some of my videos, you know that I use it a lot. It's just so fun. So guess what? Turns out, I got another one. I'm so excited because this is gonna make the supermarket look so much more realistic. I'll have another shelf finally, yay. Another checkout, another shopping cart, and look, Sarm already has a twin now. So let's just open this thing up. Okay, so of course we've got all these amazing accessories. Anyway, we have a new shelf. Oops, that is super exciting. A new Barbie doll. And she is so pretty. I think her lipstick's actually a little darker, but I absolutely love her. It's another Barbie doll, so I'm good with that. We've got the shopping cart. Definitely can always use some of these. And then this checkout area. I think that's the same number too. So we have two number 3 checkouts. We have the vegetable weigher. Oh wait, this is honey instead of peanut butter. Pasta, brown flowers, soap. Lots of groceries. So I was actually able to fix the background. What I normally do when they come with that plastic molding glued to it, I just cut out the excess stuff and just leave the part with the paper on it. That makes sense. And I just re-glue it on there. And from here, I can barely notice that it was ripped off. So now I have 2 backgrounds and 2 grocery sets to make an even bigger store. We have a real store. Okay, for this next one, I'm super excited. It's the biggest set that I got, and it's so neat. Can't wait to use it in my videos. Anyway, I'm just gonna show it to you guys. I got the Fresh and Fun Barbie food truck. I can barely fit it on my little set thing here. It's so big. And so I've been waiting for days to open this. Let's open it and see what we got in here. I wonder how hard this will be to open. Guess we'll find out. I might keep this for something. You never know what I could use it for. What? There's a ton of stuff in here. Stickers. Oh boy, there's a bunch. So we've got this piece here. More accessories. And we'll take a look at those after we get this together. Ooh! That's cute. Okie dokie. Directions. We've got a blue chair. And then we've got some trays to put the food in. A menu that's a little bit bent. I like that. My goodness. French fries. A basket for the burgers, and then this is for the register. We also got these other fries. We can make them sweet potato fries. That's cute. So as you saw, this set did come with a ton of accessories, but before we can put them in there, we have to put on all the stickers. So, not great at putting on stickers. Let's get started. All right, we have gotten all the stickers on. Time for the accessories. We've got this French fryer that goes right in here in the deep fryer. We've got this juicer, and I believe, yes, the lid comes off, and it's right over here. Some baking utensils that hang on these hooks. In the fridge, apples, bananas for smoothies. Came with this little bowl of fruit salad. So that goes in there. Over here, we've got ketchup and mustard. Place to keep spoons. We've got the register that clips on right there. And then this right here is for you can come and it just slides on out. Hopefully they don't have an accident. And since it does come with some extra pieces to make different meals, I'm just gonna put the extra ones in the shelf and in the fridge. And there we have it, the Barbie food truck. I think it needs a different setting though, don't you think? And it's open for business. And that's the Barbie food truck. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to use it in some of my videos. It's gonna be so fun. I'm loving all the details. I did not realize that this had so many details in it. Anyway, we've only got one thing left to open up, so let's get to it. All right, guys, we're back in Barbie's house. Today, I have 2 accessory packs. Let's start with this Chelsea swimming accessory pack. Bathing suit, and it comes with a pineapple beach towel, a pair of sunglasses, Italian ice, a pineapple, a pair of sandals, just a plain crab. It's probably like a beach toy for Chelsea. It fits perfectly, it's so cute. And then they're so cute. And her sunglasses. Her beach towel. Drink. And the Italian ice and the crab. That is so cute. It's a complete set. Chelsea's ready for the beach. The final fashion pack. Let's see what's inside. So much stuff. All right, it's all unpackaged. Let's dress up Barbie. I'm gonna start with this blue necklace. And I think it actually matches this outfit pretty good. We have these yellow boots. They go on so nicely too. This is matching great. And then we have the bracelet. And then we've got this fanny pack. That's my second Barbie fanny pack too, by the way. It's perfect. Next, her new sunglasses. I love gold sunglasses for Barbie. They did come with a strange line in them though. It's just a strange plastic, I guess. And then we have this adorable hat. It's so cute. Barbie's looking pretty wild. And then she's got this bag. I'm gonna put her sunscreen that it came with and her water bottle. And her bag is ready to go. It came with this little teddy bear. I'm just gonna give it to Chelsea for now. And then finally, this set did come with the mask. I'll just save this for my doctor's playset. She doesn't need to wear that right now. Barbie's new outfit, all of her new accessories. They match really good with this t-shirt. So these are a great addition. That hat is absolutely adorable. And the fanny packs, I really love the checkered one that I got recently too. So fun. I always love getting new Barbie accessories. They really just make any Barbie dolls look complete. Well guys, that's all the sets that I'm opening for today. I absolutely love that I got to upgrade my Barbie supermarket And this food truck is awesome. Like I said, the details are so cute, and never can have too many Barbie accessories. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I'd love for you to be a part of this channel. We're getting so close to 1,000, and I can't believe how much my channel's grown in the past few months. Thank you guys so much. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll continue to put out more videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Hey there! If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching!